everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you read by the title, today is gonna be another cooking video and it's gonna be a really exciting one. So today we're gonna be making chocolate mousse. I'm a really huge chocolate lover and I love chocolate mousse and chocolate cake and all that. So for all the chocolate lovers who love chocolate, it will be a really great treat for them, and it's a little bit of a lengthy process to make, but it's worth the process and it's worth the wait also. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in today's video, and let's start. had kept it in the fridge overnight, and this is how it looks. I have eaten a spoon already. So this is how it looks, and it tastes yum. So, and also the texture, you can see it's come out really perfect and it tastes really good. So because I had added a teaspoon of coffee in that, as the recipe said, so it tastes a bit of coffee flavor, but also it has a lot of chocolate flavor also in it. So if you do try it, please let me know in the comments below and let me know that how did it turn out for you. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you did like this video, please share it with your friends and family also. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.